How do you feel about public speaking? What tips and tricks have you used in the past to help manage stage fright? I dislike public speaking. I try to avoid it at all costs. I take anxiety medication as prescribed by a doctor, and I try to be as prepared as possible for the speech. What changes do you believe have occurred regarding how people search for jobs / are hired? In your opinion, have the changes had a positive or negative effect, and why? People search for jobs online and fill out applications online. People are more often hired through agencies that search through the pile of applications to find the best candidate. The way people are hired has changed in a positive way, in my opinion, as jobs are easier to find online. What are the pros and cons of conducting such checks as a primary or sole means of screening applicants? The pros of such screenings may be that companies have a better idea of who they are hiring, but they don't exactly get the whole picture when they're solely relying on the screenings. Cons are that people must be careful when posting online and of their behavior in general, as potential employers could find inappropriate content and not want to hire that person based off of that one post. Give some examples of illegal interview questions. If you are asked an illegal interview question, why is it important to first assess the intentions of the interviewer? How might you handle this situation if asked an illegal question? When I was interviewing for the daycare I currently work at, the interviewer asked me if I attend a church, and if so, what church. I knew this question was illegal, as employers cannot discriminate based off of religion. I just answered the question as it did not personally bother me. I'm sure the interviewer just wanted to know my religious history, as the daycare is affiliated with the Baptist church. So you have to, look at what the interviewer's intentions were, and I don't think they were negative intentions in that instance. If I was uncomfortable with an illegal question, I would say something and possibly report the company.